When I did my lookup with doctors, reviews, the reputation of the clinic, it became very clear as to why should I choose QHT. I think this is a very bold, big step that I have taken in my life. Hi, my name is Shivnal Sen. I am 31 years old. I've come here from Sydney, Australia. Today I'm here at QHT Haridwar Clinic for my hair transplant. So I've started to experience hair loss for about 3 to 4 years now. And major cause would be stress, work, change of weather conditions. I've lived in a few countries, including Fiji, Australia, New Zealand, Dubai, and others. And the change in weather has really caused my hair loss. So yeah, I've been thinking about a hair transplant for about 2 years now, but the recession of my hair has been going on for about 4 years now. Professionally, I hold a leadership role in a very big global FMCG, which means that I do a lot of public speaking with my employees, organization, directors, and all sort of that. And I think the higher you go up the rank, you create a lot of visibility to a lot of people. It needs to come with a little bit of confidence, and I think the only confidence that I lack was my hair being receding or getting a hair loss. So I think, okay, if I'm getting this professional journey, I need to feel full confident. And I think with a full head of hair, I'll feel a bit more confident than I feel today. So before the hair transplant decision, I've tried a few things. I've tried a number of medications from minoxidil. I've also done SMP. But nothing lasts. It's either temporary or you don't see results at all. And then I was like, okay, you need to do something more permanent. So the first, when you decide to have a hair transplant, the first thing that comes to your mind is, okay, let's go to Turkey and get it done there. But I have never seen anyone personally who have gone to Turkey or any other place to get a hair transplant. Recently, one of my friends from Fiji, he came here at QHT Haridwar. He went through his transplant journey, and a few months' time, I saw the result. That brought me a lot more confidence, and I felt a bit more comfortable from deciding QHT. So yes, I've seen one of my friends go through it with utmost results. And that's the reason I have chosen QHT. And looking at all other reviews, the way you guys communicate, the way you guys do things is what made me choose QHT over anyone else. So the major concerns are, firstly, will it be very painful? What are the options there for that? The other concerns is how long will it take to show the actual result? There's a bit more concern, okay, what happens from my donor area, how quick my donor area recovers, and I got all the answers from QHT. So, of course, I did my research before making the decision to come to Haridwar. A couple of things I researched is what actually is QHT, because I've heard about extraction, I've heard about strips transplant, and then this is QHT. So I did a bit more research to fully understand what does it entail, what were some of the pros and cons behind it. I did my research to see the reviews, firstly, of the clinic, which is, of course, all very positive. I think this is a very bold, big step that I have taken in my life. So the reputation of the doctors, the reputation of the clinic is the most important thing that I was looking for. Yeah, there are other clinics, other doctors who have got reviews that are not properly positive. And the reputation of the clinic, the doctors, makes a lot of a difference and gives you a level of other comfortable confidence when deciding. So when I did my lookup with doctors, reviews, the reputation of the clinic, it became very clear as to why should I choose QHT. My first expectation from the surgery is hopefully it goes all smooth with less pain as I can imagine. And then what I'm expecting from this hair transplant is get a natural hairline, get a natural density, get a natural look, and very quick kind of result is what I'm expecting from this surgery. So ever since I've started to notice my hair loss, I have always thought of all options to get rid of hair loss, to get more hair. I think today I've got very mixed feelings. When I came in the morning, I was like very nervous, getting all this anxiety doing it for the first time. I'm here all alone from so far. And I was like, okay, what am I doing? But now when I've gone through a little bit of day one kind of procedure and I'm talking to you guys, it makes me very excited. I'm a little bit scared if I'm being honest, but I'm very excited to go through the procedure and see what does it have for me. So my experience with QHT in just a few hours has been really amazing. Truly enjoy the experience. Everyone has been quite friendly, quite open and making me feel comfortable. And now I'm ready for my procedure. So I'll keep you guys updated. Please continue watching QHT videos for more updates.
Hello friends, if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please like this video, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will get update on every video.